Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really quick. It's actually a tutorial. You'll notice I'm in the same sweater and earrings combo because today is the same day. I just got finished filming the comparison between my mini pochette and a pochette accessoire, but in the middle of it I kind of figured something out that I wanted to show you, and I decided to do a dedicated video to it. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get the look of the belt bag or fanny pack, whatever you want to call it, using the mini pochette and the Louis Vuitton canvas strap. I sort of just figured it out and finessed this idea, and I was going to include it in my last video, but it would have ended up running too long, and there's a couple of steps and a couple of tips that I wanted to tell you guys during the process, so I decided just to make a separate dedicated video to it, and I hope you enjoy. So if you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name's Catherine, and my channel is KWSHOPS. I do videos all about luxury, and my aim is to help you save on your splurges. I do shopping tips, and I like to get the most Vuitton for the least money. That's sort of my thing, I guess. So I do a lot of tips about the pre-love market. I love and I do a lot of shopping tips. But if you're interested in any of those other topics, I would love to have you back. So please hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it so you're notified every time that I upload, which is once a week. A couple of weeks ago, I posted this picture here to my Instagram, and it was using the mini pochette here with this strap as a belt bag. I have since sort of figured it out a little bit better than you'll see in that photo, and I'm going to be showing you it here in the video today. I was actually very inspired by the Gucci Super Mini. That is also available to use as a waist bag. For me, I looked at purchasing it, but I just sort of don't need, I just sort of didn't feel like I needed the piece, but I did actually happen to have this lying around and was inspired by that piece being used as a belt bag to get that same sort of look. Like the Gucci Super Mini, the mini pochette has this chain with the lobster claw right here, and that is one crucial component of what you will be using to make this into a belt bag. Next, I have my Louis Vuitton canvas strap. I purchased this standalone from the store, but to the best of my knowledge, this is the same strap for the pochette Metis, as well as a couple of other bags that they have currently in the collection. This I did purchase on its own. It was about $300, and I actually purchased it for another bag. I'll leave a link to a video where I did a full review on this strap, as well as showed how I used it with one of my handbags. That'll be down below. What you'll notice about this strap is it is monogram canvas. Comes in two pieces. So this piece here completely detaches and adjusts, and it sort of acts just like a belt for the purposes that we need. So I'm going to do a cutaway of how I turn this into a belt bag. So this isn't really a style that I'm necessarily able to incorporate into my lifestyle. I can't really wear belts because I sort of have overactive bladder. So, but I did want to pass this tip along to you guys. If you guys have a strap like this, or if you have anything similar, then hopefully this video is able to help. So please enjoy. On the Gucci Super Mini that a lot of people have said that you can only really use the Super Mini as a belt bag if you are very small. Yes, I do wear a size like 02, extra small, and that probably would work on me, but in the video, in the cutaway, I had mine on the very shortest setting on this strap, and it does adjust a full you know, a couple inches larger than that. So definitely, if you have either of those things, no matter what your size is, definitely give this a try. I was able to put this on my belt loop as well. I'm wearing high-waisted jeans. If you have a lower waist on your jeans, then it will probably still work, and you'll be able to adjust it to whatever size that you want. I think they are making another type of fanny pack or belt bag, and I think it's probably, you know, over $1,000. All in total, these two pieces here total to 6, but they're very versatile pieces. So I definitely would recommend this option as opposed to just buying a belt bag, because we don't know how long belt bags are going to stay on trend, and these pieces I definitely use in my everyday life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I do new videos every week, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!